I used to stay up all night trying to find my place, chasing neon lights and looking for some kind of trace to lead me out of darkness. Give me a little faith, something to make me stronger, someone who could light the way. Then you came to me and you gave me reason. I almost can't believe it. Every time we touch, I feel at home. There's no way I'd ever let you go. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. I don't know what you do to me, but I feel like I am way up in the sky. When you put your hands in mine, I know we're gonna be alright. 'Cause when we touch is when I really come alive. When I really come alive.
Nobody's like you. You are not normal.
Hi everyone, and welcome back to Chelle's Glam Home. Well, in today's video, guys, I'm super excited to share a DIY Hamptons inspired birdhouse. I hope you enjoy. Guys, I absolutely love birdhouses, and I was on Pinterest a few weeks ago trying to find a way that I could make one myself, and I was so excited when I come across a lady that made one out of a planter. So off to Bunnings I went, and I picked up this white planter which will act as the house itself. I also picked up one of these hanging baskets, and this, believe it or not guys, is going to be the roof. Now off camera I removed the hanging basket's chain, and what we're going to do here guys is we're going to flip over both the basket and the planter, and we're going to put the basket on top, and this is going to be our roof.
When people see us, they know.
Okay, so I know it's not looking very bird-like at the moment, but just wait till you see what I'm about to do. I'm first of all going to take it outside, and I'm going to give it 2 coats of my favourite Dulux white spray paint. I'm also going to take out these little corner brackets that I got from Bunnings, and guess what they're going to act as well guys? These are going to be the perches. I also had one of those little finial things that you put on top of things, and this is going to go on the top of our birdhouse. Now once everything was completely dry, this is when I enlisted the help of my hubby. I asked him to drill the holes into the planter for the birdhouse. Now we ended up drilling 8 in total guys, one on top of the other. Now once all 8 holes were complete, what my hubby's doing here is taking those little angle brackets that we spray painted white, and he's taking a screw and screwing them underneath each hole. going to take our hanging basket and place it on top of the planter. He secured it in place with more screws. He also took a piece of scrap wood that we had, guys, and secured the bottom of the planter to the timber. This is going to be the base of our birdhouse. He also, off camera, put the finial on the top. Also off camera, I painted the base of that piece of wood at the bottom, and I went over anywhere that needed touching up. I also made a trip to our local recycle centre, guys, and I got this timber post. I got this for just $2. I brought it home and gave it 3 coats of white paint.
Never thought I'd feel this high. The sky has never felt this close, and when you kiss me, I can't believe that I am yours and you are mine. You took the pain away, didn't mind my scars, mend my broken heart. Life was dull until you came. Now I see in color again. It could rain, I don't mind if it pours, 'cause I'm right next to you, to you. Come rain or come shine, I don't mind, 'cause I'm right next to you. It's true, right next to you.
Now, once it was completely dry, it was now time to enlist the help of my hubby again. We decided that we would dig the hole to place the post in. Now, this was a really cold day, guys. It's the middle of fall here in Australia, and at this particular day, it was like 3 degrees. So, probably wasn't the best time to put up a birdhouse, but your girl Chelle just wanted her little job done.
When you're with me,
Honestly, guys, my hubby is such a trooper. He always knows how much I love creating things, and he is always a champion when it comes to bringing my visions to life, even on the coldest of days. Now, what my hubby's doing here, guys, is off camera, he added a bag of concrete, and he's just stamping it out and securing it in place. Once the birdhouse is up, we will then add the water. Now, off camera, guys, I had these 2 decorative fretwork, and what I did is I painted them white as well. Now, what the hubby is doing here is he wants the timber to be level before we put the birdhouse on top, so he's just going to cut a piece off. He's then positioning those fretwork brackets and lining them up and then securing them in place.
waiting 5 days to explain how you make me feel inside, baby. Got it all figured out, wanna do this right. There's no doubt in my mind, baby, you're the one. And tonight I am going all the way. The way you touch
Now he's taking my beautiful birdhouse and positioning it in place and securing it with some more screws.
rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that
He
you
then took the hose to add to the concrete, and you can see that there's 2 pieces of timber here. This is just to hold everything up while the concrete sets. Once it's set, a couple of hours went past and I took those 2 pieces of timber off.
how I shiver inside doesn't show, but my nerves are inside out. It's because you're not worth less than perfection.
Guys, see those snow clouds behind my beautiful birdhouse? It was freezing this day, but I am so happy and so grateful to the hubby who made my vision come to life. Who would have thought that this is a planter created into a birdhouse? And the best part of all, guys, this whole thing cost me no more than $50.
Things I would say now, I keep rambling on. I sound so cliche. What I am trying to do is say I love you. And all the things that
big shout out has to go to my handsome hubby who braved the cold to bring this vision to life for me. I so appreciate it. Please go give him some love, guys, down in the comments below. He loves reading my comments and would truly love your feedback.
The things I plan to say. Oh baby, what I am trying to do is let you know that when you touch my hand, it all goes away.
Who would have thought, guys, that just this planter and a hanging basket could be turned into this simple and inexpensive, beautiful birdhouse for your garden? So thank you so much for watching, guys. I truly hope you've enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because I'll be back real soon with more DIY projects, inspirational ideas and room tours here at Chelle's Glam Home.